Greetings and welcome back to the Galley of the Sun. Today, another episode in our wide world of food. This time, we're traveling to a place we've been before, Greece. It's an archipelago in southeastern Europe on the Balkan Peninsula, as you well know. The birthplace of mathematic principles and the birthplace of the Olympic Games. So, today we are doing Greek chicken wings. Yeah, who doesn't love chicken wings? Chicken wings are incredible, but don't you get tired of the same old either smoked and then some barbecue sauce slapped on them, or the old standard buffalo wings with some Frank's hot sauce and some butter mixed together? How about something different? Now earlier, we did an episode on Iranian saffron lemon wings. You can see it right there. It was absolutely incredible. This is also going to be absolutely incredible. But to make these wings, you got to prepare the day before. So we will go back in time to yesterday when we got these ready. Here we are on Greek Chicken Wing Eve. I've got my chicken wings out here. You can see I've set them on a paper towel on a baking sheet, and I have made sure that I've got them as dry as I can. We're gonna move those out of the way. Now we're gonna make this incredible marinade. And we're gonna do it in a Ziploc bag. As always, all the ingredients, their amounts, and the instructions are down below in the description. I would not do you that way. All right, so let's get all of these into the bag. First of all, I have a cup of plain Greek yogurt. I have a quarter cup of lemon juice. A tablespoon of Creole seasoning. I'm using Tony Chachere's. A tablespoon of oregano, crushed. Half a tablespoon of black pepper. Half a tablespoon of onion powder, and half a tablespoon of garlic powder. Now we're going to seal the bag. And then the next step, in the immortal words of Will Smith, the Fresh Prince of Bel-Air, now we're going to get squishy with it.
Get jiggy with it, idiot.
Oh, jiggy, squishy, it's all Greek to me. See what I did there? Anyway, once you got all that mixed up, now all you got to do is put your chicken wings in the bag. You're going to move them around, get them all coated, and then this is going to go in your refrigerator. Give this at least 4 hours, but if you can give it 20 to 24 overnight, definitely do that. Just going to intensify the flavor. We'll see you tomorrow when we make these. All right, and here we are the next day. So those wings have been sitting in that incredible marinade we made overnight, about 20 hours right now. Now we got just a few more steps until we're eating. So again, you're gonna get a Ziploc bag. In that Ziploc bag, you're gonna put 3 cups of flour. And if you can do that without making a mess, be proud of yourself, be proud. Into that flour, we're going to put 2 tablespoons of some Greek all-purpose seasoning. We love this Cavender's brand. Absolutely delicious. That goes in. A teaspoon of garlic powder and a teaspoon of black pepper. Now we're just going to mix that up. As we're mixing that up, different ways to prepare this. So you can do it in the air fryer. I haven't done it myself. I tell you, most things, to me, there's a big difference between cooking in the oil, cooking in the air fryer. Sure, the air fryer is more healthy. I'll give you that. But you know what? Life is to live, so I'm going for the taste. If you're doing this on the stove in a skillet, you're going to need about an inch and a half of oil in there, just enough to cover those chicken wings. Then you want to bring that up to about 375 degrees. We're going with the deep fat fryer. So all I had to do is plug this puppy in, wait for the light to go out, we're ready to roll. So the breading's ready. You should get to know your fryer. This fryer and I have been together for a long time. I know my fryer. I know that it's going to take 9 minutes to cook these chicken wings. So you probably should have a good idea, or you can look in the manual of your deep fat fryer and figure out how long to cook it. Very simple from this point. We're going to take them out of the marinade and put them into the flour. We're going to do that in batches. I know this thing can hold probably about 5 to 7 at a time. So I'm going to do 5 right now because we're going to finish this video and then I'm going to turn off the cameras and I'm going to cook for everybody else. Makes life a little easier that way. But I got to have something to try for you and you got to see the finished product. So we're going to go with 5. I am a flats guy, but I'll put 1 drumstick in here for effect. Wash the paw. Now, because I don't trust myself, I'm going to seal up that bag. Then we're going to give it a good shake, get those all coated, and then into the fryer. I got tongs out specifically to grab these, and now I've grabbed them with my fingers, so we're just going to keep going that way. Alrighty, we have them all. We are 9 minutes away from deliciousness. Well, we're 9 minutes away from deliciousness and burning the holy crap out of our mouth. We're about 12.2 minutes away from deliciousness. As we're sitting waiting on those fry, this is normally the time that I ask you to hit the like button if you're enjoying this video. And if you want to see more, I ask you to hit the subscribe button. And definitely, I always ask you to leave comments like, what is your favorite kind of wing? What's your favorite kind of Greek food? Where are you from? Stuff like that. But this time, I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to say, hey, why don't you also like our Facebook page? You can see it right here. All sorts of interesting stuff. We will preview videos on here. We'll show you what we're cooking. Typically, we will shoot a video 3 to 4 weeks before it actually shows on YouTube. That gives us plenty of time to get the editing done. So yeah, you'll see in the future of the Galley of the Sun. Alrighty, it's been 9 minutes. Oh, they're looking gorgeous. Now the hardest part of this entire endeavor. I gotta wait 3 or 4 minutes so I don't melt my face when I try these. Now you'll see in the glamour shot at the beginning or end or both of the video, wherever I end up putting it when I edit it, a fantastic garnish for this is some crumbled feta cheese and a little bit of parsley. It'll look absolutely gorgeous. It's gonna taste amazing. I just can't wait to get to it. Hey, and yes, I realize it. I did this as a tip to anybody else new to making videos on YouTube while they're cooking. Hey, if you are dealing with flour or cornstarch, do not wear a black shirt. That's just silly. Because it's going to get on you. It's going to. I don't care how careful you are. It's been 3 minutes. I can't wait any longer. Try a flat here. Breading looks fantastic. Oh. Mmm. The seasonings definitely got to the meat. Oh, it is absolutely delicious. I can't describe it, but I can taste the Greek seasoning that's in the breading. I can taste the Creole seasoning and the oregano that was in the marinade. And I have to say, it's probably a function of the yogurt, but the chicken, different texture than if you just took your chicken wings, breaded them, and chucked them in there. It is more velvety. It is softer. It's not mushy at all, but it definitely, that yogurt gave it a different texture. Absolutely amazing. Hey, don't cook the same old thing over and over and over again. A big reason of why I love to try different things is because I grew up in the Midwest in the 70s and 80s and ate very bland things, had a very regimented menu. There are so many incredible things out there. Don't be afraid to give them a try. Hey, I hope you enjoyed what you saw today, and until we see you next time, fair winds and following seas.